My name is Alisha Pierri. I'm the culinary instructor at the Coast. I teach culinary 1 through 4. I also host some interns that the county supports. And I've been here for 5 years. I got to start the program. I got to pick out every single thing that goes in the kitchen, and we've grown exponentially. We do all the dinners for the Board of Education. My kids do the principal meetings. We really cater like a real restaurant. We're actually licensed like a restaurant. My kids are inspected by the health inspector. They have to be perfect on day 1. So as younger culinary ones, they learn to work in a kitchen just like grown-ups. We're catering off-site events this year. We're catering on-site events. We have bake sales. My kids learn to do production baking and production cooking, which is very different than when a restaurant has tickets coming in, so it's so different. I love teaching culinary at the Coast. You should definitely talk to your guidance counselor and come out and see us. We'll teach you how to cook, we'll taste everything, and you will be better for it.